In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Patreon. If you want to access your memberships, support your favorite creators, or manage your own creator account, the first thing you need to do is sign in properly. The good news is that Patreon makes this fairly simple, whether you're using a computer, a tablet, or your phone. To begin, go to the official Patreon login page in your web browser. If you're on a mobile device and prefer using apps, you can also open the official Patreon app instead. Make sure you're using the real Patreon website or app, since that's the safest way to access your account and avoid login issues. Once you're on the login screen, you'll usually see a few different sign-in options. One common method is to log in with your email address and password. If that's how you created your account, click into the email field and type the email connected to your Patreon account, then enter your password in the password field. Take a second to check for typing mistakes, especially if your password is case sensitive or if your device has autocorrect enabled. When everything looks right, click the arrow icon or the submit button to continue. If your information is correct, Patreon should sign you in and take you directly to your account. From there, you can view the creators you support, access exclusive content, or manage your account settings. Another option you may see on the same screen is signing in with a social account. If your Patreon account is linked to Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can select the matching button and log in that way instead. This can be faster because it uses the credentials already connected to your selected account. Just choose the platform you originally used when setting up Patreon, then follow the prompts on screen to confirm your sign in. If you're not sure which login method you used before, think back to how you created the account. If you signed up using a social login, trying to enter only an email and password may not work the way you expect. In that case, using the correct linked sign-in option is usually the best approach. And that's all it takes to log into Patreon. As long as you start from the official login page or app, enter your account details carefully, or choose the correct linked social account, you should be able to access your Patreon account without any trouble.